and welcome to the 12th day of 13 days of horrible crafts and even scarier stories. This series will consist of 13 days of crafty goodness and our dearly departed Edgar Allan Poe. A brand new tale of woe, and I don't just mean the crafts, will grace your screens every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in October at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please stick around by subscribing so you can enjoy all 13 days. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the tale of the Valley of Unrest. Once it smiled a silent dell, where the people did not dwell. They had gone into the wars, trusting to the mild-eyed stars, nightly from their azure towers, to keep watch above the flowers, in the midst of which all day the red sunlight lazily lay. Now each visitor shall confess the sad valley's restlessness. Nothing there is motionless, nothing save the airs that brood over the magic solitude. Ah, by no wind are stirred those trees that palpitate like the chill seas around the misty Hebrides. Ah, by no wind those clouds are driven that wrestle through an unquiet heaven, uneasily from morn till even, over the violets there that lie in myriad types of the human eye, over 3 lilies there that wave and weep above a nameless grave. They wave from out their fragrant tops, eternal dews come down in drops. They weep from off their delicate stems, perennial tears descend in gems. I do sincerely hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see the rest of the series, please stick around by clicking that red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so much for watching, and you will hear me in the next one. Take care.